Hello, if you want to clear your browsing data on Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G, then it all depends on the browser that you use, of course. So for instance, I'm gonna show you two examples. I'm gonna show you how to do that on the Chrome browser as well as the MI browser. So what we need to do is essentially open the browser and then we need to go to the settings. So we can tap on these three dots over here in the top right corner. And actually in this case, we immediately have the delete browsing data option. So we can tap on it in order to quickly remove something. Over here, we can choose the timeline. We can delete the last 15 minutes, last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all time. And then you also have more options. So if you want to quickly just delete browsing data, then you can choose the timeline and then press delete data. If you're looking for more options, then of course tap on the more options. And here, as you can see, we can remove tabs, saved passwords, autofill, form data, and size settings as well. And in the top right corner, once again, we can choose the period, so we can switch to any time range that we wish to remove, and then confirm by pressing delete data. And there we go, the browser is now cleared. Now, in terms of the MI browser, what you need to do is, first of all, we need to go to the profile. So tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner, then go to settings over here in the top right corner. And here we need to scroll down a little bit and find clear data, which is over here. And then we can simply press clear all at the bottom. And by doing so, we will delete all saved data above. So the cache files, saved passwords, form data, cookies, history, and site settings. You can also simply clear just one of these things. So if you want to only clear cache, then of course you can tap over here and confirm that you want to clear cache. If you want to remove everything at once, then you have the clear all option. And there we go. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!